Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and gizmos hitting the market.
Today, we're taking a trip down memory lane with the Pimoroni PicoVision. A retro coding powerhouse that's sure to tickle your nostalgia bone. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk hardware. The PicoVision comes packed with not one,
but two RP2040 chips, giving you both CPU and GPU power for all your retro coding and video projects. With 264 kilobytes of RAM and 2 megabytes of QSPI flash storage, this little device is ready to tackle whatever challenges you throw at it.
Connectivity-wise, the PicoVision has you covered. From Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities to HDMI and a 3.5mm stereo audio jack,
you'll have no trouble hooking up your favorite peripherals and displays. But what sets the PicoVision apart is its software. Powered by MicroPython or C, this retro coding platform is as versatile as it is fun.
Whether you're a seasoned coder or just starting, the MicroPython module makes it easy to create graphics, sprites, and even sound effects for your projects. Speaking of projects, the possibilities with the PicoVision are endless. From simple text animations to full-blown games and digital signage, you're only limited by your imagination. And with a vibrant community of makers and developers behind it, you'll never run out of inspiration or support. So, who is the PicoVision for?
Well, if you're a fan of retro gaming, coding, or just love tinkering with gadgets, this little gem is right up your alley. Whether you're reliving the glory days of the 1980s or pushing the boundaries of modern technology, the PicoVision is sure to put a smile on your face.
And there you have it, folks.
That's our take on the Pimoroni PicoVision.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews just like this one. Until next time, happy coding!